Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my October Boxycharm. And if you guys have noticed, I did chop my hair off. Before it was like at my lower back, and now I wanted something different, so I cut it like right here. I've never cut it this short, so yeah, but I really like it. So like I was saying, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm for October, and this month's box was it was exciting, but also I didn't really like care for it as much. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what's in here. As usual, we get like the little pamphlet kind of thingy here, and this month it's, hold on if I can open it. The theme is Alter Eco, and then tells you like the prices and like the description of all the products that we got in the box. Okay, so the first thing that I see in the box, which is pretty exciting, it's the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara from IT Cosmetics. This is what the packaging looks like. And yeah, I have already used this. I've already tried it out, and I like it so far. It does make my lashes look nice and voluminous, but it doesn't make them look clumpy at the same time. So this is what the product looks like, and this is what the wand looks like. It's actually pretty long, like a long handle. It's like as long as my hand, but yeah, it's pretty nice so far. I'm actually liking it. So yeah, some of the products in here, or two other products that I'm gonna be talking about, I have not used, but I am planning to use them. I just haven't tried them out just yet. And the IT Cosmetics mascara is $24. So the next thing in here is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mother. And this is what the packaging looks like. Her packaging is actually really nice. And then this is the liquid lipstick. I was not really excited about this color that I got, only because I never wear colors like these, but I mean, it is pretty cool that I got a Kat Von D liquid lipstick, but I'm just not enthusiastic about the shade. Okay, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty, and this is the shade, which is like a pink. It's not like a bright pink, but it's more of like it's not like a nude pink either. It's pink, but it's not like crazy bright. But yeah, I've already tried this on. They're actually really, like, they feel really nice on the lips. The only thing is I've been more into lip gloss and stuff, so I haven't really been using liquid lipsticks, but from the 2 times that I've tried it, it does feel not like absolutely drying on your lips. It does get matte really quickly. So yeah, I mean, so far I like it, but it's not the color I would go for. And the Kat Von D liquid lipstick is $20. I wish I would have got one of like the nude shades. That would have been great. The Demorvia Lace Appeal with Compression Technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Intense exfoliating facial mask with compressed lace support. So this is what the packaging looks like. And I have seen what this looks like on. It looks kind of weird. I've seen Juicy Jazz's video on her Boxycharm that she got, and yeah, I mean, this is kind of cool. I've never tried anything like this, like putting like a lace, I guess you could say, like mask over the mask that you already put on your face, which is weird, but it looks like it really works. So I'm excited to try it, but I've never tried anything like this before, or anything from this brand. I've never even heard of this brand, so that should say a lot. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I'm all into peel-off masks. I love peel-off masks. Those are my favorite. So I'm really excited about that. And the mask is $30, so that's already more than the box itself cost. Okay. The next thing is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm from the brand Pharmacy. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's really cute packaging. I have not used this either, and it comes with like a little cover. Oh, just fell. But this is what it looks like. It's a cleansing balm. Help take your makeup off. It smells really good. It smells like fruity. It smells so good. But yeah, I haven't used this yet, but I'm really excited to try it. I've been looking for like I guess makeup makeup cleansing balm for a while, but I've never really found one that's interested me. So this one's pretty interesting. Since we got it in the box, it says a nourishing facial cleansing balm that melts away makeup and pollution residue. Even the boldest eye makeup and long wearing foundation is easily removed, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. So I'm excited to try that. And this is $22. And so for the last product in the box, it is a palette from Pure Cosmetics, I think that's their name. Yes. So this is the Midnight Masquerade face palette. So it has eyeshadows and blushes in here. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty. And then this is what the back looks like. It shows you like the blushes and then the eyeshadows I mean. And I have tried this palette. I've tried it 3 times now. And yeah, the colors are pretty. They are pigmented. They are blendable. The blushes are really pretty. I mean, they have shimmer in them. But yeah, and it does come with like a little mirror right here. And this is what the eyeshadows look like here. So I've used the blue one here, which is called Showtime, Disguise, and I've used Exposed, and the only matte color in the palette, which is Sneak Peek. So I've used this one, this one, this one, and this one, and a little bit of this one right here. But yeah, they're all shimmers except this one, which is Sneak Peek, and it's like a rich chocolatey brown. Yeah, it's like a rich chocolatey brown. But yeah, I wish I had more wearable colors, like I don't know, like neutral colors. I mean, I'm not really one that reaches for like browns often, but yeah, they're really nice. They're pigmented and they blend really nicely. And the other side, which is like a book almost, it's like a book thing, and this side is where the blushes are at. And then I've used this one, this one, this one, and this one. I've actually used all of them. Some I've used for like eyeshadows and some I used for like cheek blush. But yeah, they're really pigmented actually, and they have shimmer in them, which I kind of don't like. But I do notice that as soon as like you place it on the face, they don't look shimmery, or they don't look as shimmery in the pan. And I think the Hidden Secrets color, which is like pink, is the only one that doesn't have shimmer. I could be wrong. But yeah, I just can't see it. But yeah, they're beautiful. They're pigmented. I have this one as a blush right now, and then this one as a highlight, and they're very beautiful. So yeah, so far I'm liking it. I just wish I had more wearable colors. Like, I'm not always into shimmers, I guess you can say. I don't know. And that palette is $38. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave somewhere here on the screen how much the total is for the box. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.